Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good evening. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next video is not a necrological video. It is not also Bangko Filipino related videos. By the way, this is about a flower shop located in Manila. By the way, are you familiar in Dangwa? Dangwa, that's in Manila. Yung may bus terminal. Um, kung di ako magkakamali, yung kasi hindi na ako nakabalik Manila for since 2012. Are you familiar? Dimasalang. Dimasalang. Yan na yung after Quezon City, diretso na Manila. Yung kuan siya, highway. Mahaba ang lanes. By the way, the reason why I made this video because not necessarily urgent kasi marami nagsa-search. Kung halimbawa may wedding events, birthday events, burial tsaka funeral events. Funeral flowers. Ayan. Funeral wreath. W-R-E-A-T-H. Okay. By the way, I'm referring to Dangwa Beautiful Bouquet Flower Shop. Okay. Bakit ko na-mention itong flower shop na ito? Kasi actually, marami nagsasuggest sa mga clients niya na yan daw ang highly recommended na flower kasi kung titignan yung design niya, magaganda ang flowers. By the way, baka magtanong kayo, meron ba silang FB page? Actually, meron. Yan po ang name. Dangwa Beautiful Bouquet Flower Shop. Meron silang cellphone numbers. Meron silang Globe at saka Smart. Don't you worry, yung ito na mention ko sa video na ito, lalabas din yan sa description. Pwede nyo i-screenshot, pwede nyo tawagan itong numbers na ito. Ang cellphone /Viber is 0916-368-4841. Uulitin ko po, ang first cellphone number, yan ang priority and primary number, 0916-368-4841. Yan po. Tapos, ang susunod is smart. Kung halimbawa, ang cellphone number mo ay smart, 0999-828-7421. Actually, halos lahat ng clients ay nire-recommend itong flower shop na ito. Dangwa Beautiful Bouquet Flower Shop. So, yun po. Marami na silang napuntahan na Memorial Chapel tulad ng St. Peter, Metro Manila, all over Metro Manila. Nakakapunta din siya ng Pampanga, Bulacan, Calabarzon. Central Luzon tulad ng Bulacan, of course dadaan pa yan ng Valenzuela. Meron din silang sasakyan. May truck din sila kasi yung mga flower stand, yun talaga ang kuan. Pero specialty nila more on sa funeral flowers. Yun talaga. Meron din silang wedding, meron din silang maraming kuan as long as related sa flower shop. Magaganda ang flowers nila. Technicolors pa. May violet, yellow, white, orange. Of course, hindi mawawala ang color red. By the way, yung green, ma-assure lang yata nila is blue-green. Kasi minsan kasi ang blue-green kasi diretso green ang flower. So, depende na yan. Maganda ang design. Tsaka sa creativity, the best. Highly recommended po itong flower shop na ito. Actually, wala naman nag-suggest. Ang mga clients lang nag-FB sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, okay, sige, gawin natin to na YouTube video. By the way, wala siyang YouTube video. Meron siyang FB page. Doon ko isusulat sa description. Thank you for listening in this video. Good evening. Marami kayong makikita sa kanilang samples. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good evening.